If you're wondering that can you use Microsoft PowerPoint on your iPad or not, so in this video I will answer this question. So the answer is yes, but you will have to download it from the App Store. As you can see, if I open the App Store and if I search PowerPoint, as you can see, this is the PowerPoint app. Now just tap on Get to download this app on your iPad. And once this app is downloaded, just tap on Open. And from here, you can subscribe to Microsoft 365. Then you will be able to use Microsoft PowerPoint on your iPad. Now just tap on Start and sign into your Microsoft account. And after you do that, you will be able to use PowerPoint on your iPad. Now there is a workaround to use Microsoft PowerPoint for free. For that, just go to your home screen and open Safari. Then in the search bar, just search this. Now after you open the web version of PowerPoint on your browser, then just tap on the Share button in Safari. Then tap on View More. And from this list, just select Add to Home Screen. And over here, just give a name to the PowerPoint shortcut. I will leave it as Microsoft PowerPoint. Now just tap on Add. And as you can see, we have successfully created a web shortcut of the PowerPoint app on our iPad. Now, as you can see, I will be able to use PowerPoint for free using this web shortcut, just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.